everyone. Hello to my dearly beloved family. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your love and support. As always, I remain loyal. God richly bless us all. All right, let's dive into the reason why we are here today. Today upload is a wonderful one, and I do hope you enjoy it. Watch it, drop your comments, and I will be right back. The game is getting more interesting. Inec office has gone burnt. No election in 2023. We don't need it. The government think they are wise. All they need is to divide this country. This country is long due to be divided. Everybody should go their separate ways. Enugu is on fire again. No government has done another one. Men are not joking. People are not smiling. Wonders shall never cease. I don't really know what the zoo government is waiting for before it will do the needful. All they need is Biafra. Give us Biafra and let them go. Attend to their needs and let them go. I have the video yet to release. Please do well to watch this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's discuss together as family. Do you really think that the way this thing is going on right now, is there hope? Please drop your opinion for me in the comment section.
That the hoodlums came inside the Ìnec office here. The question agitating the mind is why security was not beefed up in this headquarters after the first attack at the local government headquarters in Wìth. That is the question begging answers. Staffs, closing and conversing. People were you can see this is the main building of Ìnec. You can see here. This is the reception. And watch. Look at the situation here. You can see the situation here. You can see the fencing. This is part of the wreckage down here. You can see the environment. Everywhere destroyed. Everywhere destroyed. You can see it. Although the security is highly beefed up here, Ìnec house, we are clustered. Some people in the gate discussing it. They were discussing how it happened. And when you come close, they will tell you they don't know. This is the situation. This is the situation. This is just coming barely 48 hours. On Thursday night, the then headquarters of Ìnec in Ubolafo was attacked and destroyed. The whole building was razed down. Everything in the house was destroyed in the building. You can see the wreckage. All the street light was destroyed. All the street lights, solar powered street lights, all of them were down. So security men, all of them lost that. They clustered. You can hear the conversation going on. This is terrible. Situation. This is really terrible. This place is just about 10 minutes, 10 tempos away from government house. Just about 10 poles away from government house.
Very, very unfortunate.
So everybody here is sad. Sad. So this is the situation we have find ourselves. People were saying that the police wanted to decriminalize the state. That is why they rushed and said that what happened on Thursday was a power surge, was caused by a power surge. But unfortunately, this one is not so. So the situation in Ìnec office is terrible. So terrible. So terrible. On this note, the resident electoral commissioner, Dr. Enugu, said he will not grant us interview, but they are still assessing the situation. At the end of the day, they will talk to us. Officially, they will brief the media on the situation. They will brief the media on the situation. So, we're waiting for Ìnec to officially brief us, the press, on the situation. This is the timely intervention. Save these vehicles. Otherwise, they wanted to destroy everything. We're meant to understand that some offices was broken. So this is the situation in Ìnec office in Enugu. On that note, we say watch on. I am your guide, Raphael, reporting from.
Oh my word, that is all about this video. Please, if you know you have not subscribed to this wonderful channel, what are you then waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you so much for doing that, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family so that they will be aware of what is going on. See you again in my next post. See you when I see you.